Hey, good morning from Goa. This is EKMUSAFIRR. प्रॉब्लम ऐसा हो चुका है कि रात में मैंने रेस्ट, तबीयत तो कुछ ज़्यादा ख़राब हो गई थी, बहुत ज़्यादा. सो आई टुक अ गुड नैप, ऑलमोस्ट लाइक 15 घंटे सोया भी हूँ. एंड नाउ इट्स ऑलमोस्ट 3:05. सो आई वी आर लीविंग फॉर आई थिंक अगुना फोर्ट. सो नॉट दैट श्योर बिकॉज टाइम मैनेजमेंट का कुछ पक्का नहीं था. सो लेट्स सी. By the way, that's the new attire for today. So the main thing is whenever I travel, I keep a Bluetooth or headphones with me. It's an Ant audio. So what we have decided is we are going to have some food. कुछ खाना खाया जाए, बड़ी भूख लगी है यार. So that's what we are going right now. मंगेश and योगेश. What we are doing right now is we are having food, or this is what I'm drinking because I'm dehydrated totally. So the food is over. I'm getting the car and we'll be heading towards the Goa Fort. So finally we'll be leaving. We have reached Goa Fort. It's 4:58. I hope you can see that 4:58. 4:58. So I think 1 घंटे के अंदर we should manage everything. चलो let's go. तो लेट हो जाएगा. We are here. Excited. I'm a lot of excited actually. बहुत ज़्यादा excited हूँ. I hope you like it. That's what we are going around. I hope you can see that is the ocean. Take a screenshot. Finally entering. Okay. Can you see this? So this is how it goes, like everything. Finally done. So actually the guard over there is closing. He's just whistling around. We need to leave. So we are leaving. क्योंकि आगे we need to go to another beach.
Hi guys, this is Arambol beach. The place is Rock Lobster. It's a beach shack. It's a very happening place. 24 hours it's opening. You can get a food, you can get a drink, you can get a nice music, you can get a nice ambient atmosphere, nice cocktails, seafoods, and you have a very beautiful beach. So you can enjoy the all nights here and all days here. So if you're coming to Arambol beach, you should have to visit one time in the Rock Lobster.
Okay, so this is Rock Lobster. If you are coming to Arambol beach, please do visit and do take my name. That's EKMUSAFIRR. They'll definitely get you over here, and the place is really good. You have to come here once in a while if you are visiting Arambol. So see ya guys. Bye bye.
YouTube?
Yeah,
Wow.
YouTube.
Russia.
You are from Russia? Your name?
Yes. My name is Rinat.
Rinath.
Yes.
Okay. You have to tell two good things about this place. What is that?
Сюда меня я приехал.
Okay.
Да, я из России. Мне здесь очень нравится. It is good.
Okay.
Beach. Clean.
Good place.
Yeah.
Clean.
Clean. Warm.
Warm.
Ocean.
Okay.
Sea.
It's
Water,
quiet and
water,
silent
water.
over here. Okay. So do
And-
visit here. Okay.
It is вообще very good.
Okay. Sure. So subscribe to my channel. It's EKMUSAFIRR.
Okay, okay.
So I'm lucky to get both cars actually. Very lucky. Sure. So finally we are leaving. It's quite bad, na? Yes. कैसा लगा मंगेश, योगेश एंड दत्ता?
सही है।
सही है।
फोटो बहुत अच्छा है।